In today's video, I am putting together another casserole. This is tuna fish casserole. This is packed with protein. It's so good. In this recipe, I'm using 1 can of tuna, but you could definitely double that and add 2 cans. To my bowl, I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now I'm going to put half a can of mushrooms in the bowl. I am going to save the other half for another recipe. I don't want to cut these too small, but I do want to cut them a little bit. I am not going to measure this, but I'm going to guess about a half a cup of peas, whatever you like. You could do more or less. Next, I need about a half a cup of onion. I had a couple packages in the refrigerator and I'm just going to use them up. And I just want to give them a good chop. Here I have 1 cup of mozzarella and 1 cup of sharp cheddar, and I'm going to put half of each in the bowl right now and save the other halves for the topping. Now I need to cook my pasta, and I will say I am making this recipe for 2 people, but I will put the recipe in the description box down below if you would like to make it for 6 people. Here I just wanted to point out how much protein is in a can of tuna. I am just using 1 can of tuna, but you could definitely use 2 cans here. And the pasta is ready, so I will add that to the bowl. On the measurement of the pasta, I just dumped in some about what I knew would be about the right amount for our family. And now I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and grab my casserole dish. This is a 6 by 10 inch dish. Now I just want to spread that out evenly. And for the top, I'm going to use these chips. I'm going to use 1 cup of potato chips. I'm going to crush them up. Then I'm going to salt and pepper the top before I add the toppings to it. Now I'm going to spread the chips all over the top. Now I'm going to add the rest of the cheese to the top. This is going to go in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes or until bubbly. And now it is ready. Look at how good that looks, golden brown on the top. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to let it cool for a minute and then I'm going to grab a piece of it. This is another one of those really easy to put together comfort food dishes. It's so good. It has everything you need in one dish. My favorite go-to on a busy night. All that cheese in there with the potato chips so you get a little bit of that crunch. It is so good. And look at the topping. I just love how that looks. It just looks so good. It tastes so good. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's a good one. It's one I like to pull out every so often. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And thank you for watching today.